Okay, for COGOO T series, how to set your left hand side touch panel key. Okay, have to go to full menu, a setting, a car setting, extra setting, a password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Scroll down to a touch area key. Okay, click for the start, click clear all. Okay, press to reset, volume pass, then we change to a yellow, then you press for the icon. Okay, set. The second, volume minus, set. A power, home, a back. Press N. Power off, standby, power on. Okay, this is COGOO T series T3L version, how to set a left hand side touch panel key. Okay, video by Andy from OneBiz. Thank you.